continue to learning English about reported statement. The rule for changing direct to reported statement. Change the tense usually one step back. Present change to past. Past change to past perfect. Future change to would. Example 1. I eat rice. He said he ate rice. 2. I went there. She said she had gone there. 3. I will go. He said he would go. Change pronoun. I am happy. She said she was happy. 2. We are friends. They said they were friends. More example. I love English. She said she loved English. We change love in the present simple. Change to love in the past simple. 2. We watched a movie last night. They said they had watched a movie the night before. 3. I will call you tomorrow. He said he would call me the next day. 4. I am cooking dinner. My mom said she was cooking dinner. 5. You must study hard. The teacher said I had to study hard. The reported statement. Everybody can say direct speed or indirect speed. Example, indirect speed, and this is direct speed. This sentence is indirect speed. Example, I am tired. She said that she was tired. More example, I like football. He said that he liked football. We were going to school. They said that they were going to school. I finished my homework. John said that he had finished his homework. You are late. My teacher said that I was late. Okay. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Please point like or point follow to my video or subscribe to my video. Okay, bye bye. See you in the next video.